で vs で で and de is different or the same. In this lesson, we will learn how to use de and the meaning of de and de. Actually, when you learn Japanese, you will see that actually every time that they speak in the Japanese, you will see that the they and they you be say out from the people who speaking and Japanese. So in this video clip, we will learn the difference. In here, actually, they and they it had the same meaning. For in this video clip, it have the same meaning, but we use just the different. For example, that when we use that they is from the verb, the they, or from the adjective, adjective, and from the verb that in the night form. So in the case when we continue between two small sentences together, we'll use the they. But we will use they when we use the na-adjective connect with the part of the sentence. So in the case that when we connect, we should change the na-adjective to be they and continue with another sentence. And also the now we can also use the they to to connect between two sentences together. And here we have some example. Let's see together. I think here we have the sentence like this. 家族に会えなくて寂しいです。家族に会えなくて寂しいです。She means I'm sad that being unable to see my family. I'm sad that being unable to see my family. In here we have the a nakute, which means from the connect between kazoku ni aenai and sabishi. The first you will have the two small sentence. Kazoku ni aenai, which means you cannot meet your family. And the next small sentence is sabishi. Sabishi means you are sad or you are lonely. So when we want to connect two sentences together, so we can use 家族に会えなくて is from the night form, but the night form you cut the e out of the verb and you continue by くて. So and after that you say 寂しいです which means why you are sad because you cannot meet your family. So in the case like that, they in this sentence is mean that because or it cause something. So to make the small part the end of the sentence happen. For example, why you are lonely? 寂しいです Why 寂しいです Because you cannot meet your family. So in the case that you be translated to be because 家族に会えなくて寂しいです which mean why you are 寂しい because 会えないですから right? So you have similar meaning that 会えないですから because you cannot meet your family, so you are 寂しい And let's see another sentence. In here we have the sentence like 土曜日は都合が悪くていけません。土曜日は都合が悪くていけません。 which means that I can't go because I'm not free on Saturday. I cannot go because I'm not free on Saturday. In here, we also have the part of the two sentences. The first sentence is mean 都合が悪い. Worry is mean not good or is not good for you or you are not free. So 都合が悪い. And if you are not free, so you cannot go, right? So after that you can put ikemasen. But when you want to continue to two part of the sentence together, you can use te. So when every thing the end by e, you should cut e and put kute. So in here, warui, so you cut out the e, so it just left warui. Waru kute. Waru kute ikemasen, which means that you cannot go. Why? Because you are not free. Maybe you only have another work to do. So for example, your friend invite you to join the wedding party, but you are not free on that day. So you can say 都合が悪くていけません. So in the day like this, we translate to be, it had a meaning that because. So what you have to remember. And in here, we also have the sentence by using de. For example, 話が複雑でよくわかりませんでした。話が複雑でよくわかりませんでした。Which means what was being talked about was complicated and I couldn't follow it. For example, if you talk with somebody, for example, we speak in Japanese, but you're just the beginner of learning Japanese, so you don't really know about Japanese language, right? So when you talk with the person who's fluently in Japanese, so you cannot know and you cannot follow what he or she is talking about. So in the case of that, we say fukuzatsu. Fukuzatsu is mean complicated. Hanashi ga fukuzatsu de. Fukuzatsu is the noun. So in a case like this, we use de, not te. So 複雑でよくわかりませんでした。よくわかりませんでした。This means you really didn't understand at all very well. So this means why you are not, why you couldn't understand or why you didn't understand or why you couldn't follow the conversation because it's complicated. So you can say 複雑で is mean because complicated. よくわかりませんでした. So you cannot follow the conversation. So this is about how to use de. De and te it have the same meaning, but de you use with the noun and the non-adjective. But te you can use the noun form and the adjective. And it has the meaning that this color, or it had the meaning that's because or cause something to happen. And at the last one, we also have the sentence like this. So which one you think is right? And the first sentence and the second sentence, we just have only one sentence is correct and one sentence is not correct. Let's read together. For the first sentence, they say, 危ないですから機械に触らないでください. And the second sentence, they say, 危なくて機械に触らないでください. And it had the meaning that please don't touch the machine, it's dangerous. Or we can say another sentence like, please don't touch the machine because it's dangerous. Maybe the machine is still hot, so when you touch, you burn uh, your hand. So when you want to say that like this, so which one is correct? This color or abunakute? Actually, the correct one is the first sentence, and the second sentence is not correct. Why not? As we know that when we use intention, order, or invitation or request, we will use color. We don't use could, right? So we know that something is dangerous. So we request another body, please don't touch the machine. So this is the request. So this is the intention that you want another body. Don't do that. So in the case like this, we use this color because it's dangerous. We don't use abunakute. Abunakute is mean that it's dangerous, but something that you don't know. Something that you don't know that is dangerous. For example, 複雑でよくわかりませんでした。複雑で because it's complicated, but you cannot it's not another body to make the complicate for you, and that is not a request, right? But in here you already know that something is dangerous, so you request or you make you intention, you pay attention for another body. Don't do that. So in a case like this, we use this color. We don't use could or de. So this is what you have to remember for how to use de and this color. So I hope that you understand for how to use and what is the difference between de and de. Thank you very much. If you haven't not subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。